This is a demonstration how Look Cloud Fashion Platform integrates with Acumatica Cloud ERP. Let's select a workspace that we already have for this demonstration. Once we are in Look, the user selects the Acumatica product. And this is an example, an overview of how the information flows between Look and Acumatica. In this case, we have a specific app. And this app actually shows you the status that is actually synchronized. And once you access the product, you can check the inventory levels by colors and sizes. And you also have a way to access sales and purchasing information, how much inventory we sold in different colors and sizes. This information, of course, is stored in Acumatica. Look actually connects and retrieves the information in real time. For our sample, we will just pick another style, the Acumatica polo shirt. And of course, we will not focus on the functionality of Look, but we have different colors and sizes. And then we have important for manufacturing. We have different trims and fabrics that actually are linked to different sections of the style. For example, we have combination by color, combination by sizes, or different variables. Most important is that actually materials are linked to different sequence, or what we call operations here, cutting, sewing, packing. And of course, that will be important when we create the bill of materials in Acumatica Cloud ERP. Important, of course, is the product group. That is actually the item class in Acumatica. And once we have that information, we need to create the variants. Product variants are actually the item codes in the ERP. So we have the different variants. Those variants, of course, are based on the rules that you have in the style, different colors and sizes. And then after we create the variants, the last step is creating the bill of materials. So bill of materials are based on what you set up on the costing sheet. You can have different colors of fabric and different combination of also trims by size, or what we call size group rules. So this is actually a most demanding functionality for fashion industry, or how the variants are actually combined with different components. That's it. So we have that, and then we navigate back from the Look style to the Acumatica style. And then the only thing that we have to do is sync the style. Of course, there is a service running in the background. In this demonstration, we do this manually. But if, for example, for retail companies, they actually create many styles by season. They actually have a background service that synchronize the styles into Look, from Look to Acumatica. Now let's log into Acumatica Cloud ERP. Most important is the stock items. So we have a search for the style that we just created. These are the variants that are actually items. And from here, from Acumatica, I can actually navigate to Look without logging in to the solution. There is a single sign-on for a user. And then if we click on each one of the items, we have critical information that actually we have transferred from Look to Acumatica. Okay, look, the style code, of course, the size and color, the bill of material that we show you from the costing sheet, and the combination in Look are actually created in Acumatica. So if the company actually runs manufacturing in fashion, they would actually have the different combination of bill of materials. It's important to mention that the step to create a style and the combination of the styles are actually really simple in Look. We have also the picture, okay? And then of course we have other functionalities like creation of the sales and purchase orders. Okay, we will create an order from a customer. Customer, of course, can be part of Look, and of course linked to a customer in Acumatica. Okay, so we have here one existing customer. We select the style, again, option, style plus color, and then I enter the quantity for each sizes. Okay, so when we have the quantities, we create the order. Again, the order is created in real time. The only thing we have to do is just set to status to confirm, and ready to sync will be the flag actually that allow us to sync the order to the ERP. So a simple Look user can create orders in Acumatica. Okay. So we check the order in Acumatica. This is the order, and you will see that also we have a link assigned to the order in Look. So we have a reference. So every time that we have to update an order, we can do it from Look. So last, if we go to the Acumatica ERP app, okay, so you will see that we have an inventory updated and the sales information as well.